AeroGogo Aero Tent. The AeroGogo Aero Tent is a super cool inflatable tent that makes camping fast, fun, and easy. Forget dealing with poles or complicated setups. This tent inflates automatically with the press of a button using the Gigapump 80. In just 4 to 6 minutes, your tent is ready to go. It's perfect for people who want more comfort and less hassle when camping. The Aero Tent comes in 2 versions: the Moon Tent for 2 to 4 people and the bigger Sphere Tent for 4 to 8 campers. Both are made with strong, waterproof fabric and offer great protection from rain, sun, and bugs. The Moon Tent is lighter and great for small families or couples, while the Sphere Tent is more spacious, ideal for glamping or group camping. Both versions have smart features like mesh windows, skylights, sunshades, and doors that open wide for airflow. They're heavier than regular tents and need a charged pump to work, but the trade-off is worth it. Animaka Portable Hammock Stand. The Animaka Portable Hammock Stand is perfect for anyone who loves relaxing outdoors but doesn't want to rely on trees. Its biggest highlight is how fast it sets up, just 3 seconds. You simply snap it open and it's ready. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's both lightweight, about 10.4 kilograms, and super strong, supporting up to 550 pounds, 250 kilograms. You can take it to the beach, on a camping trip, or even just your backyard without worrying about a complicated setup. It features 8 adjustable points on each arm, letting you adjust the angle and height to suit your comfort. Whether you want to sit upright or lie back flat, it adapts easily. It works with almost any standard hammock up to 12 feet long, and if your hammock is shorter, you can just wrap the ends around the stand. The Cave Tent by Heimplanet is a game changer for campers who want quick setup and top-tier durability. Instead of using traditional poles, it inflates in less than a minute using a pump. Its unique geodesic dome shape, formed by strong air tubes, keeps it stable in all weather, even strong winds. Once inflated, the tent offers plenty of space for 2 to 3 people, with room for gear and a center height of nearly 50 inches so you can sit comfortably inside. The materials are high quality and waterproof, keeping you dry even during heavy rain. One of the smartest features is its multi-chamber air system. If one section is damaged, the rest stay inflated, so your tent won't collapse unexpectedly. Inside, you'll find useful mesh pockets and a ceiling shelf to keep your essentials organized and off the ground. Weighing around 10 to 12 pounds, it's light enough for car camping or motorbike trips and packs down into a compact carry bag. FlashSpeed Pro 3000. The FlashSpeed Pro 3000 is a powerful and smart portable power station made for camping, emergencies, road trips, and home backup. With its suitcase-style design, wheels, and foldable handle, it's easy to carry and ready to power up just about anything. It comes with a massive 2,860 watt-hour battery and can be expanded up to 5,632 watt-hours with extra units, giving you days of reliable power. Whether you're charging phones, running a fridge, or using heavy tools, its strong 2,200 watt output handles it all. It even works as a UPS, instantly switching power in under 20 milliseconds to protect your devices during outages. You can recharge the unit through a wall outlet or solar panels, and it gets to 100% in just 90 minutes, super fast compared to others. Safety is built in with a top-notch battery system that prevents overheating or overcharging. It also includes a powerful flashlight and can even jumpstart your car. The GoLo Go Camp is a fun and eco-friendly way to travel and camp at the same time. It's a unique electric cargo bike with a built-in camper designed by a Dutch company called Flevobike. You simply pedal it like a regular e-bike, and when you find a good camping spot, the small camper opens up into a cozy little living space. It comes with a foldable table, seating that turns into a bed, storage shelves, and windows with mosquito screens. It even has a small refrigerator to keep your food fresh. One of the coolest parts is the solar panel on top, which charges the onboard battery. This gives you about 50 kilometers of electric riding power and also lets you charge your devices. The camper is small enough to fit on regular bike paths and is much lighter than a traditional RV, making it super easy to move around. Whether you're going on a short road trip, camping in nature, or just want a compact and sustainable way to explore, the GoLo Go Camp is a smart and exciting choice. Ignic Fire Can Portable. The Ignic Fire Can is a super handy and portable propane fire pit that brings cozy campfire vibes without the smoke or hassle. Shaped like a classic ammo can, it's tough, compact, and made for adventure. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or chilling at the beach, this little fire pit is easy to carry, weighing just over 11 pounds. It comes with foldable legs and a lid, making storage and setup quick and simple. To use it, just connect the included 5-foot hose to a regular propane tank, open the legs, and light it up. Its mesh sides allow the flames to glow and spread warmth evenly. You can adjust the flame to fit your mood, high for warmth or low for a relaxing vibe. It gives off up to 38,000 BTUs of heat and runs for 2.5 to 4 hours, depending on the flame setting. What makes it awesome? No wood, no smoke, no ashes. Just clean, controlled fire. It's even safe to use during fire bans in many areas. Hammock Outpost Hammock Stand. The Hammock Outpost is the perfect solution for hammock lovers who want to relax anywhere, even where there are no trees. This smart hammock stand connects directly to your car's roof rack and sets up in under a minute. Just use the quick-release hitch, open the crossbar, and lock in the legs. It's that easy. It works on uneven ground too, thanks to its adjustable legs and rotating joint that helps you level the hammock just right. Whether you're at the beach, in the mountains, or camping off-grid, this stand turns your vehicle into a cozy chill zone. It's lightweight at around 22 pounds, but super strong, holding up to 350 pounds. You can even use the crossbar to hang a tarp above your hammock for extra shade or rain protection. It fits most cars or SUVs and packs down small, about the size of a folded camp chair, so you can easily toss it in your trunk. If you're going solo or setting up multiple hammocks for a group, the Outpost makes it easy and comfortable. King Camp Sleeping Bags. King Camp sleeping bags are a great choice if you're looking for affordable comfort while camping. Whether you're sleeping under the stars, on a road trip, or just relaxing in a tent, these bags offer plenty of warmth and space. Many of their models are lined with soft cotton flannel that feels cozy and warm, even on chilly nights. They're also roomy enough for taller people, and some can even zip together to form a double bag, perfect for couples or families. For colder weather, King Camp offers lightweight down sleeping bags that are super warm, but still pack down small, making them ideal for backpackers. You can unzip them fully to use as a blanket, or connect two to make a larger sleeping space. Their bags are also water-resistant and come with handy carry sacks for easy storage. While they might not match the quality of expensive brands, King Camp bags are reliable for most camping adventures. Claris CL2. The Claris CL2 is a super handy and portable lantern that's perfect for camping, outdoor adventures, or even power outages at home. What makes it stand out is its smart foldable design, with 4 panels that open up like flower petals to light up your whole space. You can also fold it down and use it as a flashlight, making it a 2-in-1 light source that's ready for anything. It has a built-in rechargeable 10,400 mAh battery that lasts for hours and can even charge your phone through USB-C. That's perfect for emergencies or when you're far from any power source. The lantern features 7 light modes, including warm and cool white lights, red flashing for emergencies, and even an SOS mode for signaling. Its brightest mode gives off 750 lumens of light, and on low mode, it can run for over 2 days. Made with tough ABS plastic and water-resistant to IPX5, it's built to handle rough outdoor conditions. Onana Tent. The Onana Rave 2 is the perfect tent for anyone who loves festivals and hates waking up sweaty in the morning sun. This smart tent is made with special reflective fabric that keeps the inside up to 14 degrees Celsius cooler than regular tents. It also blocks sunlight, so the inside stays nice and dark, perfect for sleeping in after a long night of fun. The tent is designed for 2 to 3 people and is super easy to set up with just 2 poles, taking only a few minutes. Weighing around 3.6 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to carry to festivals, the beach, or a casual camping trip. It has mesh vents for airflow and even a rainfly that doubles as a small porch for your gear. Onana also offers an optional fan with LED lights that can run for hours on a power bank or batteries, great for extra comfort at night. While it's amazing in sunny weather, it's not ideal for heavy rain or storms since the wide vents can let water in. Paxos Twin Lakes Backpack. The Paxos Twin Lakes Backpack is a smart and unique backpack designed for outdoor lovers who need quick access to their gear without taking the bag off. Its standout feature is the swing-out shuttle pod, which moves from your back to your front with just one hand. This means you can grab your camera, snacks, or tools instantly, even while walking. Built with strong, water-resistant materials, it offers comfort with padded straps, a vented back panel, and a secure hip belt. The main compartment holds up to 30 liters, while the shuttle pod can carry up to 5 pounds of gear. Whether you're hiking, fishing, bird watching, or doing photography, this backpack keeps everything organized and close at hand. While it's a bit heavier than regular day packs due to its special frame, most users say the convenience makes it worth it. Pocket Sink. The Pocket Sink is a clever, compact solution that lets you wash your hands anywhere, no plumbing needed. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and folds down small enough to fit into a backpack or glove box. Weighing just 500 grams and measuring around 25 by 18 by 6 centimeters, it's designed to bring hand washing to places where running water isn't available, like markets, campsites, clinics, or outdoor events. This mini sink includes a built-in tap with a simple latch to control water flow, so you can use just the amount you need without wasting water. The nozzle produces a fine stream, making it more efficient and hygienic. It's user-friendly for all ages, including kids and older adults, and doesn't need any setup. Just hang it up and start using it. It's perfect for emergencies, travel, or rural areas where sanitation can be a challenge. You can hang it on a hook, tree branch, or wall, and it works with any clean water source you pour into it. Quechua 5.2 Family Camping Tent. The Quechua 5.2 Family Tent is perfect for fun outdoor adventures with your family or friends. It's designed for up to 5 people and features 2 separate bedrooms, giving everyone their own space to relax. One room fits 2 people comfortably, while the other is great for 3. The large central living area is nearly 2 meters tall, so you can easily stand up and move around. What makes this tent extra special is the Fresh and Black technology that keeps the inside cooler during hot days and blocks out 99% of sunlight. Perfect for sleeping in, even when the sun's up. Setting it up is simple thanks to color-coded poles, and 2 people can pitch it in just 15 to 20 minutes. It also has great ventilation with mesh windows and vents that help keep fresh air flowing and reduce condensation. Other thoughtful features include insect-proof windows, handy storage pockets, and a sunshade over the entrance. Zenbivy Moto Bed. The Zenbivy Moto Bed is a dream come true for campers who want real comfort outdoors. Instead of sleeping on a thin mat or inside a tight sleeping bag, the Moto Bed gives you a cozy, bed-like experience under the stars. It's designed for car and motorcycle camping. Just unroll it, let the self-inflating mattress do its job, zip everything up, and you're ready to sleep in minutes. The mattress is thick and soft, paired with a smooth-fitted sheet, and a fluffy quilt that wraps around you like a blanket at home. It's perfect for side sleepers or anyone who tosses and turns at night. Available in large and XL sizes, the Moto Bed easily rolls up into a compact bag that fits in your car or bike gear. It's not made for extreme cold or backpacking hikes, but for casual trips and car camping, it's unbeatable. You'll wake up refreshed, without sore shoulders or a stiff back. Setup is super quick, and there's no guesswork, just comfort.